guys, and this is the Dr. Hota's marriage. We are on the way to Bhubaneswar, that Pilots Mintra, from MKCG to that Pilots Mintra. We'll enjoy the marriage ceremony with Jigisa. Let's see how the marriage is. We all have gathered here in this car with this great Bhaina who is driving the car, and we have requested Bhaina, सुनो 2 घंटे गाड़ी पहुंचे दे प्लीज. कौन आपको ओपिनियन टा कौन है? कौन है कौन किशोर? हां देखिए. आसो भाईना. 2 घंटे पहुंच पारे तो गाड़ी. हां और देखिए वाली भाईना कौन है? हमको लागू छे हमें 2 घंटे पहुंचू. Let's ask all opinions about how the marriage will be. Dr. Bandana, please share your view.
I want to say many congratulations to Dr. Hota. I'm feeling really happy for him.
Dr. Sushila.
Excited to attend Hota's marriage.
Dr. Barsa.
I'm very excited.
Dr. Ritika.
This is my message to Hota bhai. I have been very desperate to attend someone's marriage since my undergraduate. So he invited me on 12 February and I am very happy to attend his marriage.
Dr. Gelius, you want to say?
We're excited to do Bharat dance.
Dr. Vidis, you don't want to say anything? You don't want to congrats Hota bhai? Congrats. Dr. Tapan.
Hi.
Dr. Radha, say.
Hi. Avinash Hota marriage.
Yes, tell.
नहीं.
What Avinash Hota marriage what?
Avinash Hota marriage ଭଲ ଅଛି ଯିବାର. ଓଡ଼ିଆ.
ମାନେ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ଭାଇ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍କଆଉଟ କରିଦାও. କୁଟକୁଟା କରିକି.
Dr. Abhishek.
Hi.
What do you want to say something about Hota bhai's marriage?
I want to congratulate Hota bhai and I am very excited. Bhai clean bold.
Once more.
Bhai clean bold.
Thank you भाई. Congratulations.
Dr. Vishwat bhai.
Hota ଯେତିକି stamina ଅଛି ନା.
Dr. Samo.
ପତ୍ର ଜଲ୍ଦି ବାହା ହେଇଗଲା ତୁ ବି ବାହା ହେଇଯା. Congratulations Hota.
And the car is moving. We are on the way. Let's see the Bharati and Tapan is also ready for this Bharati dance. So today it was the DJ day. Let's see how the DJ day will be. The DJ what? The DJ name is what today? It's DJ Samo. Let's see. DJ Samo. We have paid him like around 60,000. We have paid DJ Samo for this DJ day. Let's see the DJ at that Pilots Mintra.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
अजय भाई प्रोसेशन टा कोड स्टार्ट होता. प्रोसेशन टा कोड स्टार्ट हो. हां? होता कोड जो.
ଶୁଣ ଏଇଠୁ ଯିବା ସେପଟେ ବରମୁଣ୍ଡା ସେପଟେ ପଟିଆ
अरे पहुंच गए आसा पिले श्यामा आ कौन कहू देखो आस अजय भाई कोडी प्रोसेशन टा कोड जो
ଗୋଟେ ପଟିଆରୁ ପଟିଆରୁ କଳ୍ପନା ଏପଟେ ରସୁଲଗଡ଼ରୁ ବରମୁଣ୍ଡା
कौन होता हम आसिले कौन आ कौन व्हाट इज योर स्टेटस अबाउट दिस मैरिज say something
still complicated
and you can see this is the most handsome our hota
Way melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
श्यामा टिफिन में कौन अछि
ଭେରି ଟେଷ୍ଟି ଟିଫିନ୍. ସମୋସା ବରା
ଏଟାକୁ ବରାବ
ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ଚପ୍.
On and on we'll go.
So this is Bhubaneswar. The Pilots is around 1 kilometer. We'll be having a dance and we will be giving the videos of the dance. DJ Comedy wala present. DJ truck driver. You can see truck
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
everybody dancing. I am got little bit tired, so I am here. We'll be enjoying the marriage ceremony today, guys. Let's see how is the day, how Jigisa is looking. Yes, moving with this air-conditioned vehicle because of this summer. Yes, bye bye. Okay guys, now we have reached the place. This is the Palad's Mantra where the marriage taking place. In some time we will going to the place. We have come by this vehicle, है ना? Gata को रखलो. Gata side होची कोचुंदी. Okay, let's see. I have come by this vehicle and that is the place where we will be going. The 5th floor the marriage taking place. Ajay bhai and I have come and we will be moving to the marriage place in some time. Chalo, let's see how the marriage is.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
This Palad's Mantra. Yes, and the ceremony here, which floor? Fifth floor. Yes, fifth floor. We are going to the 5th floor. Our Hota is also coming behind us. We are forward of Hota. We will be eating and showing you the places. We have enjoyed the day. Yeah! कौन तो केम दिखाया बताइए? Thank you. Hello everyone. After dance, we are very much tired, and we are waiting for this day of this lunch. The lunch is superb. We will be seeing how the lunch is. Galus, you had your lunch. अजय भाई कौन कहूँ कहूँ ना कहते हैं कौन तो कौन कहूँ हाँ
Feeling tired after long distance.
how is कौन हिमांशु खाई चलो ना खाई ना
नहीं भाई
गाते गए उमेश गेलुस खाई नहीं रितिका खाई चलो नहीं
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
also. Guys, we're at the top of this Palaits Mintra. It's a very beautiful place. We're at the swimming pool and taking the sun bath, I can say. And Hota is getting married. This is top view. Ajay bhai.
Ajay, ऐसा ना
You have come. Ajay, how is the place?
This is very beautiful.
Huh?
Very beautiful.
And this is the whole city Bhubaneswar. You can see from the top of this Palaits Mintra. The swimming pool, we cannot take a bath.
Why?
Because we have not got that swimming pants. That's why.
Why? No
Wow. Guys, this is the live kitchen you can see of this Palaits Mintra. It's the live kitchen. Himanshu, how's the food? Kelus, how's the food? Guys, this is the live kitchen of this Palaits Mintra. You can see everyone is having the delicious food over here in Hota's marriage.
Come to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, to the shadow, to the sun rays.
Paneer 65.
Through the highways, and
Dr. Abhishek. Guys, we're in the line in this Hota's marriage and Jigisa's marriage. The food is superb. In some time, I will show all the food. Come on. Nice food. Congress. मटी दे चाटा दे हाँ रेडी रेडी हाँ दही बराटा लगा रे स्टीम राइस दाल मखनी दिस इज आलू गोभी अदर कली दिस इज पनीर टिक्का मसाला नहीं दिस इज आलू गोभी अदर कली दिस इज पनीर टिक्का मसाला दिस इज कढ़ाई वेज लसांगा दिस इज वेज हक्का नूडल्स दिस इज वेज मंचूरियन all this spacious and delicious food, guys. Yes, bye-bye. And this is the delicious food at the Hota's marriage. We are having this great food today in Hota and Jigisa's marriage. A great day, great food and a great hotel. And it's a great marriage, guys. We enjoyed the day and sometime we'll be leaving the place after seeing Jigisa, how Jigisa is looking. Let's see. After that, we'll be going to our place, own place. Hello, guys. Bye-bye. Wish Hota a great marriage ahead. Bye bye. Yes. Himanshu.
हाँ भाई.
You want to wish Hota?
Congratulations भाई.
Ajay bhai. You want to?
Happy married life. Happy and prosperous married life.
Congratulations to Hota. Wish him a very prosperous married life. Congratulations.
try to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your